In this lesson, I will explain to you what is Prezi and how does it work. So here I have written some information that Prezi is a presentation tool that can be used as an alternative to traditional slide making programs such as PowerPoint. Instead of slides, Prezi makes use of one large canvas that allows you to pan and zoom to various parts of the canvas and emphasize the ideas presented there. Normally, we use PowerPoint in order to make our presentation, but here I will show you that you can make the same presentation by using Prezi. In Prezi, we have more features compared to PowerPoint, which makes our presentation more attractive. Now, how to work on Prezi? I will show you in this course. So first of all, you have to write down prezi.com. When you will press enter, you will see the following screen. If you have already account with Prezi, then you have to click on login and enter your email address and password. Otherwise, you have to click on get started if you do not have an account. So simple ways, you have to write down your name, your last name, here your email address, password, check mark here I am not a robot, and then it will ask you, you can continue with Facebook or Google. So click on Google because this is the easiest way to do it, right? Before going to login, I will show you the pricing. If you will click on pricing, then we can have different options here. The first one is the basic. In basic, we have free version and the plus. Here you have to pay $15 per month. It is the promotion is going on here. And then is the individual. We have a standard plus and premium. For premium, you have to pay $59. As the prices increases, it means the features also increases. So here are the students and educators basic free, and normally they give us 14 days trial basis. Here you have to pay 3, and this is see, I will highly recommend you, if you have an email address with edu, just like we have Hotmail, Yahoo, Gmail. If you are working in any organization and they will give you the email address with edu, so I will highly recommend you to buy these products from using this email. It will be less expensive, and then if we have the business, right? So here we are going to start with the basic, then you have to click on basic here, continue, right? So again, you have to write down your credentials. If you do not have an account, I already have an account, so I said log in with Google. I will show you. It will ask you from which email, as I have couple emails, so I said for this one. So see, and here we go, right? So this is our home page. You can see, if you want to make some video conference by using Prezi, if you want record a video message, right? Here is the social media. You can make the thumbnails or reports, whatever you want, you can make by using the Prezi, right? Here are the different features. If you will click on design, right? So see, here is start from template. Here are the reports, right? And here is the infographics and so on, social media. If you want to make your presentation, then you have to click here. So I will show you in the next couple of lessons how you can make your presentation, how you can make design report, your thumbnails in by using the Prezi. So I hope that this small lesson is clear to you. Please watch this video, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.